Good morning, GCHS. I'm going to show you a quick video on how to set up Google Hangout Meets to connect with your students. I had a few teachers ask how you could do that. It is really simple to set up. You just go to a Google tab. You can go in through your waffle if you set this up through your calendar. You can click Create Event. For this, we will just say Google Hangout Example. We'll leave the time at 10:30. You can add your guests, so you can add the students that you want to invite, or you can just give them the code later on. So you could do either or, but you want to hit this add conferencing and make sure you click the join Google Hangout Meets. It gives you a link there. You can give that link to your students. If you add in their email, it will send them the notification like Mr. Anderson's Meet did this morning, and it gives you a link and it gives you the options to accept that, and when you accept it, it goes on your calendar. So then the students could actually go in through their calendar and click the blue button, and they could click join, and they could join through there. There's a few options on how to join a meeting. That is just one of them. You can give them the link and they can click on that, or you can give them a code, which I will show you in just a second. So there you go. You have that on your calendar now. When you click that, you have your link here, and you have your pin, and you could join by phone if students wanted to, if they did not have their Chromebook. So there's a lot of options there. Once you have that set on your calendar, you can go to your Meet right here on your waffle. And you have this here that is happening now. You can see that I have 2 later on for the grading sessions. So you can click that. You can join that. And then you have your camera that will update your face. You can also say no camera. You can say no mic. There's a lot of different options here. You can share your screen. You can present. When your students are logged on, they'll show up over here, and you'll have kind of a grid of your students' pictures. So lots of options with Google Hangouts. Really easy to set up. I will also post a quick guide sheet that they have online. It's really helpful. And again, like I said, you can join once you accept it on your calendar. It'll show up on your Meet, or you can send your students the link or the code that they can type in. Any questions, please let me know.